Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be finishing up our review on the Govee wireless temperature sensors that Govee was good enough to give me for all my grow spaces. So, I've had them, I played around with them for a month or so, and you can buy these guys on Amazon if you want to check it out. I'll put a link in the description for them. And you know what? When I first did the unboxing video, I thought they were pretty sleek and pretty cool. So I put them all over in my Highland greenhouse and in my lowland greenhouse. And I put them in even right in the freezer in my ultra Highland chamber. They went outside in my temperate greenhouse and all the way downstairs into my grow space. And then into one little area that you guys haven't even seen yet with my seedlings in. So anyways, I have them all spread out everywhere. They seem to be working pretty good. I needed to move the actual gateways around a little bit so they didn't lose the receptiveness because they're going through several stories and floors. The app, I found it to be really laid out pretty easily. I was going to compare this to my lacrosse alerts, but I decided not to focus on lacrosse alerts at all, just on this. Everything is really easy to find. It's all laid out in one spot. I really like that. We did have to change a battery in it at one point. So the battery changing is super simple. It tells you on the app that the battery is getting low. When it did start going low, it went low fast, but hey, batteries were included, so I had to put in my own batteries for this. But it was totally simple. The back pops off, the batteries pop out. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and yeah, since it came with the batteries, all the rest seemed fine. Just this one needed some new batteries. So put the batteries back in it. There's nothing you have to do. Once the batteries are back in, it just finds its gateway again super quick. So once it's back on, the thing just flashes blue. And as fast as I could walk towards the gateway and open the app, it was actually already had found it. It takes mere seconds to find it, and the battery was full again. So that was on the Highland setting there, or on the Highland greenhouse that I had lost the battery. What else can I tell you? It syncs pretty much every minute, which is kind of cool. I don't even think it needs to sync every minute. Every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes would be fine for it, but it is what it is. So what else can I tell you about this? The only thing I will say about the gateways is that this one is next to my bed and it has a really bright blue light on it. This LED light is really bright for when you're trying to sleep, so I had to cover it with some black tape. But other than that, no harm, no foul. It didn't affect it at all. I just didn't like the blue light on it. So in other cases, it's nice. It tells you it's going at least. One other problem I had with it was every time you plugged it in, you would have to reset the temperature alarms. It seemed every time you unplug it or it loses power, it loses its temperature alarm, which they're very easy to set again. But being it's a winter season, I've had a few quick power outages and stuff, and I couldn't figure out why. I had to keep resetting these until it finally dawned on me that every time the gateway loses power, I lose my temperature alerts. So that kind of sucks. It's a little worrisome. I wish that didn't happen. Hopefully that can be just a quick fix so that when it loses power, it keeps its memory for its temperature alerts. And B, when it does get a temperature alert, that it would come to me not only via notification on the app, but I would love an email as well. But that is the only thing that I can really think of that is wrong with this product. It seems really good. I would suggest checking them out on Amazon. Again, the links are in the description below for this. And I think they're well worth the price. They come as a 2-pack with each gateway, and I think they're pretty easy to set up. So anyways, guys, playing with them for a month, I don't think they're a bad product at all. I really like the way the design is laid out. You can see everything easily. Everything syncs really quickly. Again, if you lose power, it finds the signal again ultra fast, but it loses its temperature alert or humidity alert for that sensor, for that gateway, which kind of sucks. So, but overall, very good product. I'm not going to not use them, that's for sure. And there is no yearly or monthly fee for these guys. Their cloud service is absolutely free. So there's no, once they're bought, there's no money to keep going out, unlike my other lacrosse alerts there, where it took a yearly fee to maintain them. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.